Alright, I want to show a quick video. Here we are in Tullahoma. We caught up with the train. As you can see. We did catch up with it. It was going so slowly, we managed to catch up with it here in Tullahoma. Just really good video. There's Warren Street. Going off. We're just gonna do a drive-through, and if another train sitting in the yard, I'll just take a picture from the car. Cause this phone is getting pretty low. Cause whenever we got this phone, it was 60% whenever we first got it, and now it's like 30 something probably. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to head home after this. So we get some food and stuff. So yeah, just want to do a video showing we caught up with the train. This is our first train trip with a new iPhone. I just figured, you know, to take it out, test it out, and today went pretty good. Today went pretty well. Local. Yeah, I figured to get one more video for the day. The videos have been pretty slow. There's Hogan Street going off. This phone is really good, guys. This phone is definitely the best quality phone I've ever had. But I really hope this really is gonna improve the videos a lot, because this is really good quality. Like, I'm actually impressed at how good this quality is. Brown Street. I'm not seeing anything up here. I don't see anything in the yard. Maybe he's not stopped for another train. But oh well, I guess I'll do a quick video. There's locomotives. Up there. But yeah, we'll try to catch the locomotives, get some quick pictures. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this phone. This phone's really good. There you go, guys. Peace out, guys.